Hello students, today we are going to look for class 8 maths multiple choice question revision session from chapter number 9 to 16. I recommend you to watch this video after completing your all the concepts and clearing your all the basic part of chapter number 9 to 16 so that you are able to analyze yourself of all the concepts you have read. So let us see the MCQs. Question number 1. The expression 3x plus 2 is in dash. One variable, two variable or no variable. See, variables are what? Variables are the alphabets, that is from A to Z. So here you can see in this expression 3x plus 2, x is only the variable. So here I can say this this expression consists of only one variable. Next one, question number 2, which of the following is a monomial? ये तीन जो आपको ऑप्शंस दिए हैं इनमें से आपको बताना है कि कौन सा मोनोमियल है. Monomial means what? Consisting of only one term. So here you can see it has two terms, 2x minus 3y. Here also you can see the two terms, but option number C, it has only one term, so your answer is option number C. Fine. Next one. Question number 3. Which of the following is a binomial? Now, from the name itself, it will be clear to you. Binomial means the expression which has two terms. So option number A is 2x minus 3y, option number B is 4mn, and option number C is 5c square. So your answer is option number A, 2x minus 3y, which has two terms, hence it is a binomial. Next one. Which of the following is a trinomial? ये आपको जो ऑप्शंस दिए हैं इनमें से आपको ट्राइनोमियल बताना है, मतलब जिसमें थ्री टर्म्स हों, 5x माइनस 3y, 8mn माइनस 6mn और 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 1. सो योर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 1, क्योंकि इसमें थ्री टर्म्स है. नेक्स्ट वन. द कोएफिशिएंट इन द टर्म 23xy इज डैश. See, coefficient means what? The numerical value which is attached to the expression, which is attached to the term. So xy के साथ हमारा xy तो वेरिएबल्स हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि जितने भी अल्फ़ाबेट्स होंगे वो सब आपके वेरिएबल्स होंगे. और कोएफिशिएंट क्या होगा? जो न्यूमेरिकल जो नंबर होगा वेरिएबल के साथ अटैच, दैट विल बी योर कोएफिशिएंट. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें तो 23 इज़ योर नंबर विच इज़ अटैच टू xy, हेंस 23 विल बी योर कोएफिशिएंट. ये दोनों तो होंगे ही नहीं. नेक्स्ट वन. हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर इन द एक्सप्रेशन 2x माइनस 3y प्लस 8mn? ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि इस एक्सप्रेशन में कितने टर्म्स हैं. ठीक है, सो काउंट करेंगे हम. सी, 2x 3y माइनस 3y प्लस 8mn, देर आर थ्री टर्म्स, सो योर आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए. नेक्स्ट वन. द रिजल्ट ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ 3y फ्रॉम माइनस 4y इज डैश. सी, माइनस 4y में से आपको क्या करना है? माइनस 4y में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. फ्रॉम मीन्स दिस यू हैव टू टेक फर्स्ट, उसमें से आपको 3y को माइनस करना है. सो योर आंसर इज व्हाट? माइनस 7y, ऑप्शन नंबर ए. नेक्स्ट वन. ऑयलर्स फॉर्मूला फॉर पॉलीहेड्रॉन इज डैश. ऑयलर्स फॉर्मूला फॉर पॉलीहेड्रॉन इज डैश, दैट इज व्हाट? F plus B minus E is equal to 2 is the right answer. Next one. Where you can see F is the faces, V is the vertices and E is the edges. Next one. The area of a triangle with the base B and altitude H is dash. Triangle का area कितना हो जाएगा? This is your triangle, this is your base and this is your height. So the answer is half base into height. This is the area of triangle. Hence your option number A is the correct one. Next one. Area of a rectangle is dash. That is L cross B. Next one. Area of a parallelogram is dash. Half BH, BH or 1 by 3 BH. So the answer is BH. That is base multiply height. Fine. Next one, total surface area of a cube is dash. Options are 6l square, 4l square or none of these. So answer is option number A. टोटल सरफेस एरिया की बात करी है तो आपका आंसर हो जाएगा 6l स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट वन, lateral surface area of a cube is dash. That is 6l square, 4l square or none of these. So the answer is option number B, that is 4l square. Why? Because in lateral surface area you don't have to include the top part and the bottom part. Say this is your cube. So in this there are 6 faces and you don't have to include the top part and the bottom part. It means only 4 parts area. एंड व्हाट इज़ द एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर? एल स्क्वायर. तो 4 पार्ट का इंक्लूड करेंगे इसलिए 4l स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. तो लेटरल सरफेस एरिया की बात करेंगे तो हमें 2 फेसेस हटा देने हैं. तो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? 4l स्क्वायर. एंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया पूछेंगे तो आपका आंसर हो जाएगा 6l स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट वन, वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूब इज डैश. एल क्यूब, एल स्क्वायर और एल. सो वॉल्यूम आपका क्यूब का क्या हो जाएगा? एल क्यूब. नेक्स्ट वन, वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूबॉइड इज डैश. That is LBH, LB or BH. So the answer is option number A, that is L cross B cross H. Next one, surface area of a cuboid. Surface area of a cuboid is what? LBH. Option number B, 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus LH, or option number C, that is LB plus BH plus HL. So your answer is option number B, 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Next one, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 is equal to what? So this is, you have to express this in the exponent form, power form. 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 or 2 raised to 5. So the answer is option number B, that is 2 raised to 4. Why? Because कोई पावर नहीं है, इसका मतलब power is 1 and in between it is multiplication, bases are same, so you have to add the powers. So it is 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many times 1? 4 times. So the answer is option number B, that is 2 raised to 4. Next one, area of a circle is dash. That is pi r square, 2 pi r, 4 pi r. So the answer is what? Option number A, that is pi r square. Next one, circumference of a circle is dash. 2 pi r square or 4 pi r. So circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi r. These formulas are very important. You have to learn as per the examination point of view. Question number 20, volume of a cylinder is dash. Pi r square h or pi r cube h. So the answer is option number A, that is pi r square h. The common factor of 13m and 39 is dash. 13m and 39 को हम कैसे स्प्लिट करेंगे? 13 3 ज़ा 39. सो दोनों में से अगर हम कॉमन देखेंगे तो कॉमन इज़ व्हाट? 13. सो योर आंसर इज़ ऑप्शन नंबर ए. नेक्स्ट वन, a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर इज़ व्हाट? a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the answer is option number A, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to dash. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the answer is option number A, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. देखो आप लोगों को क्या ध्यान रखना है, अगर बीच में प्लस आ रहा है तो प्लस 2ab आएगा, अगर बीच में माइनस आ रहा है तो माइनस 2ab आएगा. लाइक दिस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑल द आइडेंटिटीज़. These identities are very very important as per the examination point of view. Next one, a square minus b square is equal to dash. So that is what? a minus b, a plus b. एक बार माइनस करना है, एक बार प्लस करना है. Next one, generalized form of a number 62 is dash. 60 multiply 2 plus 2, 60 multiply 2, 60 multiply 1 और 10 multiply 6 plus 2. 62 का जनरलाइज फॉर्म मतलब आपको देखना है कौन से ऑप्शन में आपको 62 बन रहा है. ऑब्वियसली दिस ऑप्शन में आपका 62 बन रहा है. 10 6 60 plus 2, that is what? 62. नेक्स्ट वन, बाकी सब में देखो यहाँ पे 120 बन रहा है, यहाँ पे 60 बन रहा है, यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे तो 122 बन रहा है. सो ऑल दीज ऑप्शंस आर रॉन्ग. योर करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी. नेक्स्ट वन, 8 raised to 5 multiply 8 raised to minus 15 is equal to dash. It means you have to do what? In between it is multiplication, bases are same, so you have to add the powers. That is 5 raised to minus 15. 8 raised to 5 raised to 5 minus 15, that is minus 10. So your answer is option number B. Next one, 8 raised to 5 divided 8 raised to 15 is equal to dash. Now see, we have learned in the power and exponent chapter that if the bases are same, in between it is division, then you have to subtract the powers. It means 8 raised to 5 minus 15, that is what? 8 raised to minus 10. 8 raised to minus 10. Next one, find the area of a parallelogram whose base is 14 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. तो इसमें आपको पैरेललोग्राम का एरिया निकालना है. दैट इज ए इज इक्वल टू बेस मल्टीप्लाई हाइट. दैट इज व्हाट? 14 मल्टीप्लाई 6. सो दैट इज व्हाट? 84 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Next one, find the area of rectangle whose length is 9 centimeter and base is 4.5 centimeter. That is what? L cross B. L cross B. So 9 multiply 4.5, that will be what? Okay, 9 5s are 45, 9 4s are 36 plus 4. It means 40.5 centimeter square is your correct answer. Next one, option number B. Find the area of triangle whose base is 20 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Area of triangle is half base into height. Base is what? 20, height is 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. 10 10s are 100 centimeter square is your correct answer. Next one, the factorization of 39a square b plus 13ab square is dash. How to do this? See, 39 and 13 both are coming in the table of 13. From a square b and ab square, what is common? ab is common. So inside क्या आ जाएगा? 13 3s are 39. a is 2 times. Okay here. So 1 time तो हमारा बाहर आ गया. 1 time inside the bracket. Plus b 2 times. b we have taken out. But 1 time it is remaining. So 13ab into bracket 3a plus b is the answer, factorization. So your answer is option number A. Next one, which of the following number is divisible by 6? 6 से कौन से नंबर डिविजिबल होंगे? 72, 75 और 80. सी यू शुड नो 6 से कौन से नंबर्स डिविजिबल होते हैं. जो नंबर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिविजिबल होते हैं वही नंबर आपके 6 से भी डिविजिबल हो जाएंगे. सो यू शुड नो द रूल्स फॉर 2 एंड डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स फॉर 2 and 3. द नंबर्स whose unit digit is even number, all the numbers get divisible by 2. Fine. And the numbers whose addition is divisible by, individual digit addition is divisible by 3, or you can say a multiple of 3, then the original number is also coming in the table of 3. So यहाँ पे हम देख लेते हैं 72. Fine. 72, 2 is there, so it is divisible by 2 because it is a even number, unit digit. Then 7 plus 2 करेंगे तो भी 9 मिलेगा. 9 is coming in the table of 3. So 72 will also come in the table of 3. So you can say that 72 is divisible by 6 also because it is getting divided by 2 and 3 as well. Next one, which of the following number is divisible by 2? Now let us see the options. See here the unit digit is 5, so odd number है, ये तो होगा ही नहीं. 0 is a even number, so this will get divided by 2. 7 again is a odd number, तो ये तो होगा ही नहीं. So your answer is option number B. Next one, 1 kilometer cube. 1 kilometer cube is what? Is equal to dash meter cube. So what will be the answer? This will be the answer. 1000 cube. Fine. 1000 cube. Why? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1000 multiply 1000 multiply 1000. 3 times 1000, it will be 1000 cube. Next one, 1 meter cube is equal to dash centimeter cube. It means what? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter तो आपका 100, 100 और 100 कितनी बार आ जाएगा? 3 टाइम्स, बिकॉज 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 100 क्यूब सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Fine. So answer is option number A here. Next one. 10 meters of cloth cost rupees 1000. What will 4 meters cost? So here see, this is the sum of direct and indirect proportion. You have to select the two quantities, cost and cloth. Okay. If 10 meters of cloth cost rupees 1000, then 4 meters of cloth cost rupees how much? सो यहाँ पे देखो क्या है, अगर वन क्वांटिटी इज इंक्रीजिंग द अदर इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग, इफ वन क्वांटिटी इज डिक्रीजिंग देन द अदर विल ऑल्सो डिक्रीज. देयर फॉर यू कैन से दिस इज द केस ऑफ डायरेक्ट प्रपोर्शन. तो यहाँ पे हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. 4 मल्टीप्लाई 1000 अपॉन 10, 0 एंड 0 कैंसल, 4 मल्टीप्लाई 100 इज इक्वल टू 400. सो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 4 मीटर कॉस्ट रुपीज़ हाउ मच? 400. So answer is option number A. Next one. 8 gram of sandalwood cost rupees 40. What will 10 gram cost? 8 ग्राम जो सैंडलवुड है उसका कॉस्ट कितना है? 40 रुपीज़ है. तो 10 ग्राम का कितना होगा? सो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? वेट एंड कॉस्ट. ओके, इफ़ 8 ग्राम कॉस्ट रुपीज़ 40 देन 10 ग्राम कॉस्ट रुपीज़ हाउ मच? सो हियर आई कैन से if less weight of sandalwood is there, less cost is there. If more sandalwood is there, then you have to pay more rupees. It means this is the case of what? If one quantity is decreasing, the other is also decreasing. If one is increasing, the other is also increasing. It means this is the case of direct proportion. Hence you have to do the cross multiplication. 10 multiply 40 upon 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40 and 10 fives are 50. It means 50 rupees is your correct answer. Option number D. 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. How long will he take to run 600 meters? So this question, how we will be doing? The two important quantities here is distance and time. If 1 kilometer he is covering in 10 minutes, then 600 meters वो कितने टाइम में कवर करेगा? इट मीन्स अगर यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा है तो आपका टाइम टेकन भी ज़्यादा होगा. डिस्टेंस कम है तो टाइम कम लगेगा. इट मीन्स इफ़ वन क्वांटिटी इज़ इंक्रीजिंग द अदर इज़ ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग एंड इफ़ वन इज़ डिक्रीजिंग द अदर इज़ ऑल्सो डिक्रीजिंग. इट मीन्स दिस इज़ द केस ऑफ डायरेक्ट प्रपोर्शन. So you have to do the cross multiplication. Okay, but mind well the unit should be same. So here meter is given and here 1 is in kilometer. You convert always bigger unit to smaller unit for making the sum easy. So 1 kilometer is how much? 1000 meters. Assume that यहाँ पे आपको 1000 ही दिया है. Okay, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने यहाँ पे कन्वर्जन कर दिया तो 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर्स. नाउ डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू. 600 मल्टीप्लाई 10 अपॉन 1000. सो 00 कैंसल, 1 0 is cancelled with 10. What is remaining? 6 minutes. So your final answer is 6 minutes. It means for covering the distance of 600 meters, he will require how much time? 6 minutes he will be requiring. So this was our last question. I hope everybody enjoyed and liked the video. If you really understood my video, please give it a like, share among your friends and subscribe my channel for more such videos. And if you have any doubts, then you can comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. And share this video among your friends. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. And in the next videos, I'll be coming up with the revision session of this chapter number 9 to 16, part number 2. Till then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.